Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. Just another fishing day of mine with our dog Nana, the Labrador. The wind picked up a little today, around 8 meters per minute, so it's a little tough condition for fishing. I'm starting off with the bait fishing, using a 3-hook bottom rig with shrimp as bait, hoping to catch some fish like kawahagi or ishidai. Oop, something hits. First hit of the day. Oops, you gotta be careful. Sometimes your chair doesn't stay there where it used to be if you're fishing with your dog. That's umazurahage, the type of filefish. It's a very tasty fish with a lot of fresh liver in it. After the current slowed down a bit, I moved to Kuraguchi spot, where the water depth is around 160 meters, one of the deepest spots in Osaka Bay. We can't fish here when the current goes too fast. It's very difficult to drop the rig precisely to the exact spot where the fish are, especially when you are fishing with your dog, always trying to steal the bait. Oh, by the way, this weight weighs 400 grams, and it takes about a minute to hit the bottom. Yeah, it's a decent size of Kuraguchi. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, returning back to the marina. So these are what I caught this morning: 3 Kuraguchi, 2 Kawahagi, and 1 Umazurahagi. It's time for lunch. I made sashimi of kawahagi. You know, I really like that feeling of when peeling the skins off of kawahagi. It's quite smooth. Taking out the liver, mix it with soy sauce, and eat it with sashimi. And as for kuraguchi, I want to make it smoked and grilled. So first I prep this fish, take out the gills and guts, and butterfly it and salt it to dehydrate the fish, and then smoke it before grilling it. Hey, so what I'm gonna do today is smoke this fish, kuraguchi, with this handmade smoker. And this is made of cardboard box, and I made some ventilation holes around the bottom. That's it, pretty simple. And this is the lid and thermometer to check the temperature. Maybe this time around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for maybe 2 hours. So let's give it a shot. Hope it works well. So it's been well smoked. Now it's time for grilling. It's oily and juicy. It's very good. Finally, I make makizushi in 2 different ways. American style first, and then Japanese traditional style, preparing tempura for rolls. So first I'm gonna make it an American way. It's known as California rolls. The sauce is made of mayo and soy sauce. And for this one, I want to make it in the Japanese traditional way. The seaweed comes outside. Thank you for watching this video, and it tastes beautiful.